What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maddie, and you guys, you have no idea how excited I am for today's video. Obviously you saw from the title, but today I am going to be trying out KYLIE Cosmetics products. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos from me. I also have all of my social media links in the down bar below for you guys if you want to check those out. But yeah, let's just get into the video. I literally bought this stuff a week ago and I still haven't tried it. I'm dying inside because I'm so excited about it. So here is my giant bag of stuff. In case you guys didn't know, I actually work at Ulta, and it is literally the best job ever. Ulta does associate discounts for all of their employees on certain days. So for this associate discount, they had 35% off KYLIE Cosmetics products for one day only, and we got to stack our employee discount of 25% off on top of that. So I got a huge discount on all of this stuff. Don't worry, I didn't just drop a bunch of money on this. So I also want to say that I am not good at makeup. I love makeup. It's super fun. I'm just not good at it. But yeah, just don't come for me in the comments because I know I'm not good at it. I am honestly I'm doing my best here. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know I'm not a pro makeup artist. I'm just a regular gal, a regular teen girl, just trying some KYLIE Cosmetics products because why not? So I pulled up all of the products on my phone just so I can share with you guys the rating on them and some info about them. So I'm gonna be using Ulta's website to share with you guys the reviews and stuff on them, because when I looked everything up on KYLIE's website, I noticed that almost everything had like 4.8 stars, which I felt was a little biased. And Ulta is actually the only other place that she sells her makeup products, so that's why I'm going to be telling you guys everything from their website. Starting off with the setting powder, this retails for $24. So I got the translucent powder rather than a colored powder just because I feel like, personally for me, translucent powders usually work better. They look less cakey than trying to match the powder to your skin tone. So this claims to be a all-over loose powder that effortlessly sets your makeup, balances oils, and provides a natural skin-like finish. And it has 4.6 stars. So we're starting off pretty good. So I have some concealer and powder on from earlier, so I'm going to reapply the concealer that I have and then try out her powder. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this, but other than this and powder, this is the only face makeup I wear. Yeah, I don't wear foundation. I think the packaging is so cute. I don't know, I just really am in love with the pink. So I gotta find the sticker because it comes with a little sticker on it. Ooh. So we're going to bake with it first. So I'm just going to put some of it on my beauty blender and then pack this under my eyes. This is supposed to keep your concealer from creasing. Maybe I should zoom you guys in just a little bit. There you go. Now it's good. It doesn't really smell like anything, honestly. It kind of just smells like makeup, like the makeup smell, if you know what I mean. But I'm just going to put this on the rest of my face as I normally would. So I'm gonna let this bake for probably just one more minute before I wipe it off. But honestly, it doesn't even look like there's that much under my eyes. So I'm just gonna wipe this off now with my brush. Yeah, I like it. I think it gives a really nice finish to my concealer and it feels so smooth. Oh my god. Oh my god, it feels so smooth. You guys, I'm shook. It feels so nice. Is this even my skin? I don't know. Okay, this is actually really nice. I definitely would recommend this. Moving on to the bronzer. So this retails for $18. So this claims that it's a matte pressed powder that is soft and blendable and can be used to create the perfect subtle glow. This has 3.4 stars. Again, the packaging is just the absolute cutest. This is what this color looks like. I don't know if it's going to be too dark for me. So satisfying. Oh, okay. So satisfying. I really like that this comes with a mirror. I think that's super convenient. I think this brush will work better than this one. This one has more bristles, so I feel like this is a good option. I'll try it on this side first so you guys can see. Okay. Oh no, it's not too dark. Can you even see it? Yeah, you can see it. I think you can see it. Okay, let me just blend this out. It's very, very subtle, but like, look at this compared to this. Like, this is scary. This is like not my skin tone at all. And then this is super light. I feel like you guys can see it really well, but in my mirror, like, she's not there. She's not there at all. I feel like it's cute though. I gotta blend it out some more and add some up here. But I don't know, I really like it actually. So yeah, I'm not mad at it. I think it's cute. This is definitely a really nice, like, natural blush. Not blush, bronzer. What am I saying? So I actually really, really do like it. So would recommend. Next up, we have the Kylighter. I love that this is a play on words for highlighter. I think that's super cute. It claims that it is the secret weapon to create the perfect Kylie Jenner glow. It has 4.3 stars, and I got mine in the shade Queen Drip. So when I was picking out the color that I wanted, I decided to do something different and go with a very peachy, bronzy highlighter. I do really like that this has a very fine shimmer in it. So I'm tempted to use this brush because this is a highlighter brush. But I want to say, I can't remember who said it. I want to say it's like, I think it was Jeffree Star that said that this brush sucks for highlighter and like you shouldn't use it. And I trust him, so I'm not going to use it. This brush, I don't know if this is too, I feel like this is going to be too small though. I think I'm gonna go with this brush. Okay, I'm super scared. I feel like I got way too much. I think this brush is too small. So we'll try the brush that Jeffree Star told us not to try. And we'll see how it works. Cause I don't know, I've always put on highlighter with this brush. So maybe he's wrong. I don't think he is. This literally isn't picking up anything. I don't know about you guys, but I can't see anything. This went on a lot lighter than I thought it would because this is a very like bronzy, honey colored highlighter, and I honestly thought it was going to go on like too dark. Okay, that was just not what I was expecting at all. I'm gonna try this brush. This has a lot of bristles in it, so maybe it'll pick up the product better. Can you see it? I don't know. I'm like really like going at it, and there's like nothing on the brush. Last resort, we're going to try our fingers. Oh, I don't like the way that feels. That just gave me the chills. Oh, I don't like how that feels. I'm a little disappointed, not gonna lie. I like really wanted to like this one too. I was so excited about this one. Like, it doesn't do anything. I'm so sad. For now, I'm going to give this like, I'll give this a 2-star rating because if the color was this, it would be gorgeous. So the first lip product that I think we're going to try out is going to be this one. So this is a cream lipstick, which from what I understand doesn't dry out like a matte lipstick. I think it's more like velvety or something. I don't know. I gotta look at what it says online. Okay, so cream lipstick, it retails for $17 and it says it is a smooth and creamy formula that provides full coverage for an ultra pigmented lip. It gives a creamy satin finish that gently glides onto the lips. Okay, so it has 4.6 stars, so I'm super excited to try this out. So I got this in the shade Creme Brulee, and it's a really pretty like blush nude color. I like that it says Kylie on it, but honestly, like from what I remember other lipsticks being, this is a very small amount. Okay, I really hope I don't mess this up. Okay. They definitely were not lying when they said it was very, very pigmented. All I can think about right now is the fact that this smells literally like cupcakes. Now that I think about it, I probably should have done the product shots before this. I honestly like can't decide if I like it or not. The formula is really, really nice though. I do have to admit that. It glides onto your lips super smooth and it is very, very pigmented. I just don't know if this is the right color for me, but maybe it's just like very close to the shade of my lips. So maybe that's what's throwing me off, but I do really like it. I don't know, I think it is a really nice lipstick. I just can't decide about the color yet. I would agree, I would give it a, I think it was a 4.6 stars. Yeah, 4.6, I would definitely agree with that. So yeah, I don't know, I like it. It's cute. Next up, we're going to try this, which I am so excited about. So this is the High Gloss, and let me find the info on it. Okay, so this retails for $16. So this is described as an ultra glossy, luminous gloss that glides on the lips smoothly and evenly with added shea butter, leaving behind a radiant, moisturizing shine. It has a 3.5 rating on Ulta's website, so let's see how good it is. I am actually really nervous about the glitter. I don't know if I'm going to like it. Wow, that is like not a lot. Okay, look at this. I opened the container and look at how little of product is in there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that whole section is completely empty. I don't know if it's like an air bubble or something, but there's not a lot in there. It has a very like sweet cupcake almost smell to it. Wait, I actually really like this. Wait, hold up. Okay, I really like this. I really like it. I love this. I would definitely give this 5 stars. I love this. But it is cute. It is cute. I like it. This is like perfect when you want something on your lips, but you don't want like color or something bold. I love this. I think this is so cute. I love this. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this like all the time now. Next up, we have a velvet liquid lipstick, which I'm really excited about because I don't know how the finish is going to look. So this retails for $16 and it is described as a high intensity pigment for a full coverage lip. This long-wearing, ultra-pigmented liquid lipstick contains moisturizing ingredients that glide on for a creamy matte look that does not dry down. So maybe I'll like this. This has a 4.4 rating on the Ulta website. So yeah, let's see how I like it. I got it in the shade Charm, which I don't know. I think it's a really pretty color, but I don't know how it's going to dry on my lips. I love this. I did get a little bit on my teeth. It is so creamy. I really like the color of this. This is very, very natural. This is something I would definitely wear in real life, but I love the formula. Like, this is crazy. It is so soft on my lips. I love this. So I started talking right after I put it on my lips and it started like transferring onto my teeth. But now that it was on my lips for a little bit longer and I'm talking now, it is not transferring onto my teeth at all. I love the color of this. I am so happy I went with this one, but this is such an amazing formula. You guys, I'm not even joking. I am going to give this 5 stars. I love the color of this. I think it is so pretty. It's so natural. I love this. The very last product that I have is the one that I've been the most excited about trying out, and it is this. So this is her gloss, which is a different kind of gloss than this one. So this retails for $15 and it is described as another secret weapon to help you create the perfect Kylie lip. This ultra pigmented lustrous gloss glides on the lips smoothly and evenly, leaving behind a luminous and voluminous effect. A blend of vitamin E and highly emollient ingredients provide hydration and moisture and moisturize the lips, while natural lip enhancers provide volume. This gloss has an even and saturated application that delivers a long-lasting, brilliantly glossy end look. I did not know that this volumizes your lips, so that's super interesting. And this has a 4.4 rating on it. So let's try it out. This is our last product and I'm so excited about it. I saved the best for last. So I got this in the shade Cupid, and you guys, it is the prettiest lipstick, lip gloss, lip product ever. It is so shimmery and I think the color is so pretty. Okay, so, I don't know how I feel about it because it is a really cool and unique color. I want to say it's almost like metallic, which is really cool, but I don't know, like, I don't know. Okay, I think I like it because it is like a very like natural color. Like, it looks like this could be the color of my lips with just like sparkles on it. I'll zoom you guys in some more. It's just like very noticeable, which isn't a bad thing. It's definitely, I can't stop staring at my lips in the viewfinder, but I just don't know if I would gravitate towards this on like a daily basis, if that makes sense. But I don't know, for like a normal day going to class, I don't think I would wear this. And honestly, I'm not a huge fan of the brush that it comes with. I really wish it would have come with the other brush that was on the velvet lipstick. So I would probably rate this like a 4 out of 5 just because it does feel like kind of sticky. I would definitely be worried about this moving around during the day and coming off when I was eating or drinking water or something like that. But that's just me, so take everything I say with, what's the phrase, with a grain of salt, as a grain of salt, something about salt. So that is everything I have for you guys in today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and turn on the little notifications bell so you guys don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Also, follow me on all my social media. I have all the links in the down bar below. You guys definitely should. So that is going to do it for today's video. I want to thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!